Hi guys, thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe MechTech 360 those who are not subscribed. In this video I will discuss about this new question pattern of Cswip 3.1. All of you here, most of the people nowadays doing 3.1 exam, certified welding inspector and a senior welding inspector course also. But the question pattern before that, there will be a 5 paper is there: plate practical, pipe practical, macro, and the general 30 questions, and the technical 60 questions, multi-choice questions and all. Is a question by using the tab. Before 10 years before, we use only the written exam, we have barcode sheet and all. Now they changed it to tab. They will give the iPad. In that we have to click the correct answer. Now the pattern will be changed. What are the changes in the 3.1 exam? We will discuss. Okay. Basically, the welding inspector exam happens in two categories. One is written exam and another one is the practical examination. The written exam, the multiple choice question is there. Practical question, they will give 8 examination specimen they are giving. The multiple choice question, this is a part 1 and part 2. The welding inspector theory question, that will be 80 multiple choice question, is 2.5 hours exam. That is another one, WPS welder qualification related questions. They will ask 40 multiple choice, that they give 1.5 hours. And third one is the practical. These are the syllabus of this objective type questions and all. These are the syllabus. We have to prepare this one for the exam. Thank you.